Introduce TC-100. This is an opening screen. Okay, you can adjust the present value of counts for 20 pieces and the bottoms for 5 bottoms. And you turn on the switch of emergency stop. Also, the vibration speed and the rotation speed. Adjust the speed you need and press start. As you can see that it reached the bottoms, the setting volumes of the bottoms, and it will automatically stop. And you just press start, it will continue to count the total bottoms. Reset to 0. And if the sensor failed, it will show on the screen, and the machine will automatically stop. And just press start to continue counting. You can press emergency stop and all of this switch. And press total buttons to enter the gate delay setting page. You can press switch to left or right to test if it works. As you can see, it's very easy to adjust this machine.